No be lie. Don't come again. This particular car na CRV 2005. So we replace the compressor. This is the compressor. You can see it. It's a new compressor. So this one is the old one. So this one don't spoil. See them? Don't burst for you. What if we cause this one make burst like this? Now blockage. If the system no true, could make them block. So we replace the expansion valve. We bought another expansion. We replace this particular one, because if they change compressor, new condenser, you need to change this one too, so that you make the system go there very, very, very okay. Because if you change all those things, you no change this one, the system will not give you everything you want. So when you are changing compressor, condenser, you remember to change this one, expansion valve. So this one are the same. Maybe this one are the evaporator with this one. Maybe this. So that the expansion valve with this one. So I don't already put them for there. I have to just start standard now. So this one are my Oga on top. So that the new condenser with this one. This is a brand new condenser. This is it. This one is the old one. It's the old condenser. So this the customer buy this one new. So as that one scatter, as the compressor scatter, the particles don't enter inside run. So even though you want to flush this one, you know they're 100% sure that it will work. So now why we replace new one, so that the system will sound very good and ice block will pour outside. Yeah. So we change the discharge hose, because you cannot change compressor like that without changing this one. You spoil your work. When you are changing it, try and change the discharge hose.